Okay, in this video, we'll be installing Visual Studio Code. This will be the development environment we'll be using for the upcoming videos. Okay, so you go to this website, then you click on the download, then you start downloading, then this is the file. Double click to install. Okay, read through the license agreement, then click next. Make sure you check the last one, add to path. This will be required. Okay, when the installation is done, you can click finish. Okay, if the GUI opens up, then you have successfully installed Visual Studio Code, VS Code for short.